This is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. Today's video I wanted to go over the 0DTE trade we did on SPX. All quarterly and Inner Circle Lifetime members have access to these daily trades. And today we did an Iron Condor in the black line up here in the call credit spread. Sold the 60-70 call, bought the 60-80 call, and then a put credit spread at the 59.30 and the 59.20. This makes it an Iron Condor where we profit as long as it doesn't go above the call strike or below the put strike. On the Discord, I give clear ways to read and alert these. So we looked at the SPX price. It was at 606 at the time. Sold the 50-30 put, bought the 50-20 put. Sold the 60-70 call, bought the 60-80 call, and took in $45 in premium. Some members actually took in a little bit more because they took the trade a little bit after me. And then we do a stop loss at 1.35. One of the big issues with 0DTE, which I see from other services, is they're not going to have stop losses, or the stop losses will be really wide. I've seen one that was 10 times, so you could possibly lose 10 times your premium that you took in. We do a hard 3x stop loss on it and just treat these as percentages. Either it wins or doesn't, and we have a good win rate on it. Also on the 0DTE, we do go over the trade as it goes in. I said it was going to be likely a put credit spread in the pre-market because we're up 0.5%, but then later on it said slightly negative. So we went Iron Condor, and then you could see other people and how they're asking about the trade. Someone wanted to take in the trade later in the day, and then I said Theta already decayed it, but it's up to you if you want to take it. It was very close to what my premium was at the time of the $45. Someone else got $70 and stopped at 210, and then later on he stayed in the trade, said that it was at 0.15, so it was doing good, and then it expired worthless. So he actually made 7% on his money in just one day. I made 4.5%, which is still perfectly fine. So if you're interested in 0DTE trades, you'll get these every day, except when Jerome Powell doesn't talk. We look at pre-market, we look at news events to see possible strikes. I look at support and resistance and EMAs and whatnot. You can also ask me questions in the Discord one-on-one or in the chat channels. So if you're interested, click the link in the description down below for 3 months access. You get access to this, and you also get access to the longer dated spreads. So these are a little bit more set and forget. We sold on RDDT, that's Reddit, sold the 135, bought the 130, makes it a 5 with put credit spread. Taken at least $40 or more. I got $48 on the trade, so it's almost 10% on your margin that you're using. And then I say a stop price and an alert price and where the stock is. For this one, we were looking at a possible reversal. So in the pre-market, that was Broadcom. So in the pre-market, we're looking for a reversal here. We're near the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and we sold put credit spread even lower. So there's a good chance for a reversal here. Again, if you're interested, click the link in the description down below, and I'll see you guys on the Discord.